And here is another one that's part of the Classic Legends auction. Let's take a look at it. And here we have the 1956 Pontiac Star Chief, 4-door hardtop. Has a 4-door, but there's no pillar between the two windows. So when you open this up, it's completely open. Got a two-tone paint job on there with the darker colored roof. Pontiacs of this era definitely had some great styling. Kind of understated, but absolutely fantastic. I really like the Pontiacs of this era. Go into the interior, check it out. Really cool thing about this one is air conditioning. Got the vents right there. This does have the Hydramatic automatic transmission. You got your temperature and heat controls right here, and then the air conditioning is up there. It does have the AM radio, which does work. Got the Pontiac head right there. And then on the ceiling on the headliner's got the chrome strips, which is a really cool accent. And I don't remember if in 56 this is supposed to light up or not. There is no light bulb in it, so it doesn't, but there is a hole for it, so it might. All right, let's look under the hood. So the air conditioning compressor is missing. The brackets are all here, and the hoses are all here. And they have been capped off properly, so I'm sure it wouldn't be too hard to get the air conditioning back going again. But this is the, if I remember right, the 316 Pontiac Strato-Streak V8. And somebody did swap the carburetor out for a Demon 4-barrel. The original Carter 4-jet is in the trunk. Let's go ahead and start it up. The original mechanical fuel pump was bypassed, so it has an electric fuel pump with an on-off switch. Alright, now let's drive it back to the shop. And in fashion of these old Hydramatics, the reverse is actually all the way at the bottom. Surprisingly, this car does not have power steering. And there we are. There's the Pontiac.